what's up, guys? So we are in Pasadena. We're here for the IHACI show. So I just parked, so I'm gonna go ahead and go on in there. So it's a nice gloomy rainy day today, but here we go.
Notice I'm using just the tip of the flame. We don't want it to get it too hot. I'm waiting until it gets all melty. Getting the melting point right there. See, when it's flowing, it's that bright and shiny. So you got it way out there. Yes. If I was here, I'd melt the aluminum. Yep. That's why sometimes people are a little more comfortable with that because it's not as hot, but you can still melt it with that too.
What tip are you using?
This is 0. Wow.
You're so far away.
Hey guys, so it's about 6:30 at night. Got here about 12, so I've been walking around for quite some time. Saw a lot of cool stuff, a lot of new tools, a lot of new products, got a lot of info, ran into some people. Actually ran into Chris from HVACR videos. It's my my YouTube hero, but nice guy. Was a little nervous, so I didn't think to take a picture or something, but I didn't want to bug him. But ran into my old teacher, you know, back in the days from when I was going to school. Ran into some people I used to work with who are now working for the distributors or the manufacturers. But all in all, it was a good time. So I hope you liked the video. I'm not sure what kind of footage I got on it, but you know, it was a good time. I had a good time. I got a lot of t-shirts and a lot of hats. So thanks again for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Tell me what a horrible technician I am. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.